What's the meaning of asylum? Asylum. Asylum.
Asylum. Asylum. Asylum refers to a place of safety or refuge, often provided by a government or other organization. It is typically offered to individuals who are fleeing persecution, violence, or other forms of danger in their home country. Asylum seekers are granted legal protection and often receive basic necessities such as food, shelter, and medical care while they await resolution of their claim. However, the process of seeking asylum can be complex and lengthy, with many facing significant challenges and barriers along the way. Ultimately, the goal of asylum is to provide individuals with a new chance at safety, security, and a better life.